want to show you this Legos botanical collection. This is a bouquet of roses from Legos. You can see how beautiful it is. It's got the baby's breath. It's got everything. The roses are absolutely gorgeous. The detail is fantastic. You can see how beautiful that is, made by Legos. This is for 18 plus. There's 822 pieces in this specific set. So definitely for adults, 1 to 3 adults can work on this. It's a really a nice project. You can see how it's beautiful. You can put this in a vase and display it all year round. And the detail and the quality and the way they make these Legos now, it's just amazing. The petals, how they look, the baby's breath, the greenery, everything is just super clean and super sharp. You can see the detail of the rose. You can see the inside the buds. And everyone's a little bit different, and you can make them differently as you build them yourselves. And that's what's really nice about this. Again, for 18 plus, high quality item, 822 pieces. This is kit number 10328. I absolutely highly recommend this. Fantastic.